Hey guys, welcome back to the show today. And man, we are already in October and it's unbelievable to me how fast this year has gone. So I want to take on the end of the year here and kind of walk you through some practical steps that you can take day by day to be able to start pulling things together so that by 2024, you're ready to start that business as a solo practitioner. Guys, for those of you who are following the show, thank you so much for following. And today I'm going to talk about the importance of a vision board for solo practitioners. Now, I remember when I started my business, I took a 6-month training program, and they really didn't mention a vision board to me. And I was in a group later on, a networking group, and there was a girl who specialized in vision boards, and she did everything creative to be able to help people to see their vision. And I'm going to be honest, guys, I really didn't understand the purpose of a vision board because I had everything that I needed. And I thought because I was opening a physical therapy practice that I really didn't need a vision board. And guys, I don't want you to start off that way because a vision board is going to be something that is very important for you. So get out a pen, get out paper. And today I'm going to do a training on a vision board and what you need to do. So this vision board is a powerful tool that can actually help you clarify your goals. And these are business goals and how they relate to you and your family. It's going to help you boost your motivation and set a clear path toward becoming a successful solo practitioner. Now, in this training, we're going to explore why vision board is essential and the first step in how to create a vision board effectively. Now, let's kind of go over why a vision board matters for you. And for me, I would say the number one thing is clarity. Because a vision board forces you to define and visualize your goals. And when I say this, I'm not talking about business goals. I'm talking about why you're opening a business. Because guys, although in your heart as a PTA, you want to open a business so that you can give the kind of care you want to give as a business owner, there needs to be more than just that in why you're opening a business. You need to have the ability to at least make the income that you're making as a clinical PTA right now. And you need to be able to exceed that yearly salary that you're making because you're putting in a risk to start a business. I want to start helping you shift that mindset over to understand that if you're making $60,000 a year, and I'm just putting that out as a rough estimate, I know some make less and some make more, but let's say you're making $60,000 a year. You need to create a vision board that forces you to clarify and define your goals personally for starting your business. Okay. So when you can see your aspirations, they become more real and they become attainable. So, number one, you need to gain clarity around what and why you are starting a business. And this vision board is going to help you define and visualize your goals. Now, motivation. You need to create and regularly review your vision board because this will keep your goals at the forefront of your mind. And again, guys, the goals are not just to have better care for your clients because you're going to give that because of the kindness in your heart. But this business has to bring in enough financial opportunity for you and your family to achieve the things that you want to achieve in your life. So create this regularly and review this vision board so that you stay on track with your goals. This vision board is a constant reminder of why you're pursuing a solo practice. Now, it also helps you focus. So number 3 here is focus. By honing in on your specific goals, you're going to avoid distractions and it's going to help you stay on track. A vision board can help you prioritize what is most important. Guys, on a daily basis, I may have a list of things to do, and I have to look at that list and discern which is the most important thing that is going to help me move forward towards my business goals. Now, the next thing is you're going to need positivity. Focusing on your goals can boost your confidence. They can help create a positive mindset even during challenging times. And then the last thing, when you put it down on paper, I know some of you will believe it and some of you won't, you'll be able to manifest what you're putting on paper. And many people believe that the act of visualizing your goals can actually help bring them into a reality by attracting opportunities and resources that align with your vision. So I want you to ask yourself some key questions before you start your vision board. So number one, I want you to know, what does success as a solo practitioner look like to me? Be honest with yourself. Guys, dig deeper than just saying, I want to replace my full-time income. I want you to dream bigger here. What does success look like? So if you're opening a solo business as a PTA, maybe your success looks like you're able to not only treat clients effectively, but you're helping them live a better life. And not unlike me, I thought that was what I was going for in my solo practice, but now I get the opportunity to train all of you so that you guys can all help more people. So write down before you start this number one question: what does success as a solo practitioner look like for you? Really dig deep, okay? What specific goals do you want to achieve in your solo practice? How do you want to feel in your daily work and in your personal life? Guys, starting a business, you can very, very quickly go two different routes. One is you overthink things and don't meet goals. And the other one is you work so hard that you never get a break and have a good work-life balance. I sincerely love what I do, but there are times of overwhelm that I have to completely disconnect and just say, stop, I can't do anymore because I've been growing so fast. Now, the next question that you need to start and reflect on is, what are the core values and principles that will guide my solo practice? Now, guys, these core values and these principles are going to help you when you get to the point, if you get to a point, to becoming a scalable practice. So in my training, I help PTA start their practice as a solo practitioner, but most of them want to be able to scale that practice and grow that practice to more than just a six-figure practice. Now, most of mine can do a six-figure practice even within their first year of business, but after that, they're wanting to hit that next level to be able to get them to go to that $500,000 mark. So what are your core values and principles that will guide you in your solo practice? And then the last thing I want you to reflect on is, what are the tangible and intangible outcomes that you want to be able to manifest? So this is where you really dream big. You know, where you're working right now, you're on that hamster wheel where you're constantly running and you're going in a circle and you're actually making money for your boss. Now, if you love doing that and you are living your dream life, stay doing that, because there's a big difference in that and owning your own business. But when you're talking about stepping out and owning your own business, you really want to know what those outcomes are. And for me, there was a certain revenue that I wanted to be able to generate. And when I opened a PT clinic, I wasn't generating that income. When I opened my stretch mobility coach practice, I was able to step into earning the income that I wanted for my family. And then when you break that down and look at it, you go, wait a second, is this all I really want? And for me, my outcomes that I want are, I'm getting into my 50s now. So I want to be able to travel with my husband. We're looking at retirement. We're looking at making sure we're funding our retirement, and I can spend time with my beautiful grandkids, and I can travel and I can have fun. And those are my sort of things that I want to be able to have happen. And mine is more time to spend time with those people that I love the most, and financial freedom to be able to do whatever I want to do whenever I want to do it. You have to discern what your tangible and intangible outcomes are so that you can put them on your vision board. Now, this is what you're going to need for your vision board. You're going to need a cork board or a poster board. Go ahead and grab a lot of different magazines that you like. Maybe look through some of your pictures or other pictures, and think about when you're scrolling through on Facebook or Instagram, all of those quotes that you see. Think about words that resonate with you right now where you are and with your goals. You're going to need some scissors, glue, tape, markers, colored pencils, pens. Guys, let's make this a really fun board to create. Now, let's start creating that vision board. I want you to go through magazines, and I want you to look at maybe some online images and find visuals that represent your goals, your aspirations, and your values. I remember my first vision board, and on there was a boating, a lot of family pictures because I wanted to be able to spend time with family. And I think those were my big aspirations at that time, and we've achieved all of those things. So don't look at something that you know you're going to achieve in the next year. This is not a task to go, I only want to achieve this. This is a vision board to what you want to be able to achieve, and it should be outside your reach, okay? I want you to cut out or print out some of these images and some of these words that resonate with you. And I want you to arrange it, and you can glue it. You can tape it onto your poster board. You can pin it onto a cork board. And I want you to put things on there that resonate with you 5 years and 10 years down the road. Something that you think is a big, hairy, audacious goal that you're not going to achieve, okay? Be creative, use a lot of colors, shapes, symbols, and these things should evoke feelings that you want to be able to manifest. And I want you to include a central image in the center that represents your ultimate goal, such as a solo practice logo or a picture of a satisfied client, okay? Step 4, I want you to add affirmative quotes, like write positive affirmations or inspirational quotes that reinforce your vision and your mindset. Then I want you to display this board somewhere and place it where you'll see it every single day. This could be at your office, this could be in your bedroom, or it can be in your workplace. If you take a picture of it and put it on your phone, it can be something that you can easily look at on your phone. And I want you to take just a few minutes every single day to reflect on your goals and visualize yourself achieving them. Now, I want you to make sure that you regularly update this vision board and review it, okay? So as you make progress on your goals and they evolve, you update that vision board accordingly. So for us, we've met every one of the goals every time I've made my vision board. And when I put my first one together, like I said, it was just something that I didn't think was achievable, and we've achieved every one of those things. So I want you to regularly review your vision board and stay inspired, and make sure that the decisions you make every day starting today are going to align with meeting those goals on that vision board. And remember, guys, a vision board is a tool. It's a tool to clarify, to visualize the path to becoming a solo practitioner. It's a source of motivation. It's a positive way and a positive something to look at so that you can direct your focus and attention in that direction. And it can help you manifest your dreams and stay focused on your journey to become a solo practitioner. Guys, thanks so much for joining today. I hope this helps you take one step closer to moving forward towards your dream of solo business ownership as a PTA. Have a great day, guys. Can't wait to see you next week.